Is Facebook Blueprint certification worth it? And if so, which of the many Facebook Blueprint certifications should you actually consider if you're a Facebook advertiser or media buyer? That's what we're going to cover in this video. Plus, we're going to talk about how to prepare for the certification exams if you decide to get certified. And we're also going to talk about how to use Facebook Blueprint training to learn Facebook ads and get started as a beginner, even if you're not going to pay for those certifications. But something you definitely should do is click that like button if you enjoy the video. And if you want to hear more from me around Facebook advertising and digital marketing for online course creators, coaches, consultants, and membership site owners, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you get notified whenever I release a new video and when I go live on YouTube as well. Okay, so is the Blueprint certification worth it? Well, my answer is for most people, no. Honestly, it's probably not worth it if you're somebody who's looking to run their own Facebook ads and you want to improve your skills and get better at that, then certification isn't going to help you. Certainly, learning the skills is going to help you, and we'll talk about how you can do that, but the certification part, no. And it's the same if you're working for a company already and they want you to run ads, or you're running ads and you want to get better at that Facebook ad side of things, then the certification itself just, in most cases, isn't necessary. Now, where it can help and where it can be a useful tool is if you are new to the industry and you're looking to get a job and you want to add something to your resume that gives you a little bit of credibility and makes you stand out a little bit. So as an employer, if I was hiring someone for my agency and I was comparing two brand new people, brand new, no experience, and one of them had gone to the trouble of going through the Blueprint exams and getting certified and one hadn't, then that would be kind of a point to the person who had gone to that trouble. One, because I know they've at least learned the fundamentals and we can build on that once they come into the agency. And two, because I know they're willing to go that extra mile and do the study, pay the money and take the exams to get those certifications. So I know that there's somebody who's willing to take those steps and do above and beyond what they necessarily have to get hired in the industry. So it is good if you're out there brand new and you're looking to get a job. Blueprint certification can help. Now, what I think you should do either way, if you want to get better at Facebook ads, if you want to understand the platform, and if you want to help improve your knowledge around Facebook ad compliance, which is a hugely important thing at the moment, is I think you should go through the Blueprint training. It's great for anybody who's new to Facebook ads, who's wanting to improve their skills. If you're intermediate to advanced, you're probably not going to learn much, but the Blueprint training is free. You can access it and go through it all without paying for certification. And as a newbie, it's going to teach you a lot of great stuff. So that's where I think you should be looking at the Facebook Blueprint training, is just for the education piece, not necessarily for the certification. Now, if you do want to go down that path and use the Facebook Blueprint training to improve your skills, then stick around and I'm going to talk shortly about how you can do that and how to find the most relevant training modules to go through inside Blueprint, because there's a ton of stuff in there. Some of it's relevant to advertisers and a lot of it's not. So I'll talk about how to find exactly what's relevant and pick and choose what you actually go through inside Blueprint. All right, so if you are a Facebook advertiser or media buyer and you are looking to get certified, then which certifications should you actually consider? So there are quite a few, but only 2 or 3 that you should probably think about if you are looking to get certified as a Facebook advertising expert. So the first one I think you should probably look at is Facebook Certified Media Buying Professional. That's just going to cover everything across the board pretty much when it comes to buying ads on Facebook and being a Facebook advertiser. So a good one to start with right there. Covers the pixel, covers strategy, covers how to set things up, campaign structures, all that kind of thing. Now, the other one I'd probably look at is the Facebook Certified Marketing Science Professional. The reason I think that has value is it covers measurement, tracking, it talks about how to set up tests and come up with good hypotheses and run those tests and measure those tests, which is really important when it comes to the overall success of your Facebook advertising campaigns. The third one I would probably consider, though it is third on the list for a reason, is the Facebook Certified Creative Strategy Professional, which talks more about the creative side of things and digs into mobile particularly in a little bit more depth. But I would consider those 3 in that specific order if you are looking to get certified. Now, pricing ranges from about $75 up to $150 for certification, depending on where you are in the world. So I think When I did one of these, it was about $150 Australian. I think that was probably about $99 US, depending on where you are. Now, as I said, even if you're not going to get certified, you can learn a lot from the Blueprint training. And the easiest way to do that, I've found, is to come here to the Blueprint certification section. And you can simply click on the certification that you're interested in or that you want to learn more about. So this one is most relevant. So I said the Facebook Certified Media Buying Professional. I clicked on that. And you can just go down here to Recommended Learn with Blueprint. And this is how you would prepare for the exam as well. But it's also how you can just learn all the content even if you're not going to do the exam. So if you're preparing for the exam or if you just want to learn more about the content inside this certification, you just go down here, Learn with Blueprint, and click Get Started. So I would do that and I would go through all of this content and just complete each and every single lesson in here. So the one I would 100% hands down, no matter what you're doing, if you're running ads on Facebook, come and do this ASAP, is the ad policies for content creative and targeting. Okay? It's going to teach you how to play nice on the platform, avoid getting your ad accounts shut down and getting into trouble with Facebook, and just be adherent with policy across the board. So even if you're not looking at any of the detailed stuff here, just come and do the ad policy stuff. It's worth doing. But then, yeah, going through each of these, and you can just pick each different training section and go through the lessons inside of those. So let's say create Facebook ads. You can click on that. Go down. It's got a bunch of different lessons, an intro to the ad manager, creating a campaign from start to finish, all of those different things. So you can literally go through, complete all of this training, and then you'll be prepared for the exam if you choose to do that. Or if not, you'll just have a bunch of free training so you can improve your skills as an advertiser through the Facebook Blueprint. So whether you're preparing for an exam or not, you can just go through and learn all of this. And this is the best way to do it. It's just go to the certification that contains the content that you want to learn more about, and then it will break down all of the different lessons and training inside Facebook Blueprint that are relevant to that. So if I wanted to go through the Marketing Science Professional content, click Learn More, go down here to the Learn with Blueprint, click Get Started, and you can go through all of that. So down here it will have, defining your business goals, data sources, and all of those different lessons. So that's really it when it comes to the Facebook Blueprint certification. That's pretty much all I've got to say on that one. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Click the subscribe button and hit that little bell to make sure you get notified whenever I release a new video on Facebook advertising and digital marketing. Thank you again for watching. Appreciate your time, and I will see you in the next video. Is Facebook Blueprint certified? Right, talk about. Sorry, take 3 on that. Let's try that one again.